Hey, this is Jason with your 2020 housing market review and recap, as well as your 2021 housing market price forecast. 2020 has been a record breaker for many things in the housing market. We've seen record low interest rates. Now that combined with a very low inventory, meaning very little homes for sale, has increased the demand for home buyers so high, and we've seen incredibly high prices for houses. Looking forward into the housing market of 2021, a lot of people are curious, is the housing market going to go up? Are housing prices going to go down? What is going to happen? The projection is that this increase will continue throughout 2021, but it's expected to increase at a slower rate at 2.5%. Now, why will it increase at a slower rate? I think at some point more homes are bound to come on the market, and what I'm seeing locally, I talked about it in my last video, the link will appear in the top right of your screen, that some homes even in hot neighborhoods are sitting on the market for 60 days or longer. So when more homes are for sale, then buyers are going to have more choices, and that could possibly soften housing prices. Another thing to think of is that housing prices will eventually have a ceiling. They can't just keep going higher. They're already at ridiculously high prices. Now, unlike stocks, the price of a stock can keep going up because there will always be investors that are willing to pay that amount for that stock, and even if people can't afford the stock, they could split it and pay a portion of that stock to buy into that company. You can't do that with a house. Although home prices are very strong, it looks like it can't continue that way forever. It can maybe keep going, but most likely not at the furious pace that we saw over the last year. It's kind of continuing from where we left off, but it's a more conservative projection, and that seems pretty fitting, at least for now. That's why I think that this was a fairly good projection from CoreLogic. Thank you guys for watching. These are incredible times. We don't really know what's going to happen next, but keep it here and I'll keep you informed minute by minute so you know what's going on. Go ahead and give this video a like. I'd appreciate that very much. See you guys on the next video, and go ahead and click this playlist. That's my new playlist of the 2021 housing market update.